Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today me and my mom were making this cake. Now I'm gonna decorate it. Now the first step is to get your cookie cutter and put it in the middle of your cake. Then you're gonna put some Smarties in your cake. Now it's step 2 to make a hole in the cake. Now I have my mom.
In the middle. Can you press it? Yeah. Yeah.
My hand. Wait. Yes. Now it's step 3 to pour the Smarties in the middle. So next step is icing. Need my knife. Enough? Good enough. Now I'm gonna just spread it enough. So everywhere can have some chalk. I think pretty much all. Time to decorate the cake. Now we'll first put some Smarties. They'll stick right on the okay. More. And okay, now I'm gonna add some sprinkles. That's it. There you go, cake. Cake should be ready. Now let's get it. Time to unfold. Now we're going to cut the cake. I'm gonna go in the middle. Now, my Smartie cake is ready now.